Hello, good afternoon, Rishabh. Good afternoon. Shiruk, can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Sir,
Good afternoon, sir.
yes, sir. Very.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, yes, good evening, everyone. So we can start, everyone. Okay, everyone can see the screen. Let's start. Yes, Shumani, you were saying something.
Yes, sir. Can you
Tell me.
send me like Sunday's homework? Because all my messages are like deleted.
Okay, I'll send you.
Only the Sunday. I have the Saturday. Sir.
Okay. So last day, what have we done? Let's see. Okay, this was the problem I had given. Over here, everyone got the answer as a equal to 18 by 127. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. I'll explain. Anyone? A equal to 18 by 127. Next, number 2. Number 2, the answer is 150. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Anyone tried? Got the answer? Tell me. Got it?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt.
Yes, Ariman, you have a doubt in this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. F of x is such that f of 1 is equal to 3. F of 1 plus x equal to f of x. Okay, pay attention. So f of 1 is equal to 3. Okay, Ariman, pay attention. And f of 1 plus x is equal to f of 1 plus f of x. Okay, so pay attention, everyone. If you substitute x equal to 1, what are you getting? You are going to get f of f of x plus 1 minus f of x is equal to f of 1, that is 3. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Next, substituting x equal to 1, what are we getting? F of 2 minus f of 1. For x equal to 1, we are going to get f of 2 minus f of 1 is 3. Right? For x equal to 2, we are going to get f of 3 minus f of 2 is equal to again 3. Okay? Dot 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 dot. For x equal to 149, I need to find out f of 150. For x equal to 149, we are going to get f of 150 minus f of 149 is equal to 3. Are you people getting? Ariman?
Yes, sir.
Let us add. On adding, can you see all the middle terms are getting cancelled? All the middle terms will get cancelled. You will be left out with f of 150 minus f of 1. And how many times 3 is there? Can you count? How many times 3 is there? Can you count, Ariman? F of 50 or 1? Oh, where? Let me see.
F of 50.
Oh, F. Okay, no problem. F of 49 then. Okay, how many times I have written? Tell me. The equation. I have written 49 times, right? I have written 49 times. So on the right hand side, we'll get 49 into 3. Tell me, Ariman, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So f of 150 will be equal to 49 into 3 plus 3, that is 150. 50 into 3, that is 150. Tell me, is it clear, Ariman?
Yes, sir.
Fx equal to 3x. But you have to also prove that f of x is equal to 3x. Yes, Satyaki, tell me, you have a doubt?
Sir, in this question, can we solve it like f of 50 equal to f of 1 plus f of 49, then f of 1 plus f of 1 plus f of 48, and so on till all the
Yes.
terms of f of 1.
Correct. Method 2, this is also correct, everyone. F of 1 can be, f of 50 can be written as f of 1 plus f of 49. Okay, then f of 49 is f of 1 plus f of 48. So it will become 2 into f of 1 plus f of 48. Then plus 3 into f of 1 plus f of 47. Okay, like this you keep on going. Okay, dot 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 dot. Are people getting this one also? This is another method. Lastly, you will get 49 into f of 1 plus f of 1. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Are you getting? Okay. Next, number 2. Number 2 is 150. Number 3, we need to find out a plus b. A plus b is equal to minus 1. Tell me, what did you people get?
Minus
A
1.
plus b is minus 1. This one, what did
I
you get?
got 3 for
1.
number,
Yes, Rishabh, tell me which question you have a doubt.
number 3.
Number 3. When the polynomial is divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 1, we need to find out the remainder. Remainder is ax minus b. I don't think so. We can factorize 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Can we factorize?
Yes, sir, we can.
So we can factorize plus 3x plus x, right? Okay, okay. So there are two methods to solve. Method 1, this is number 3. Method 1, directly divide. Okay. That is x on the over here. What will you get? 6x to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 17x square plus 17x square plus 21x plus 7. Okay, you can solve it, right? This one you can do it, method 1. Tell me, are you getting, Rishabh? You know this division?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, you will get the remainder. Next, there's another one, that is, you people know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? What is the dividend? Dividend is 6x to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 17x square plus 21x plus 7. This is equal to divisor, that is 3x square plus 4x plus 1 multiplied by quotient. Quotient we don't know. Okay, not required. Plus remainder. Now whenever you divide by a quadratic polynomial, what should be the remainder? Tell me what kind of a remainder it should be. Rishabh? Linear, right? So let the remainder be. Let the remainder be ax plus b. Okay, so plus ax plus b. My task is to find out a and b. Okay? So in order to find out a and b, this term should vanish, right? And how will this term get vanished? By putting 3x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. When you substitute 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, we'll get 3x square plus 3x plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Let us take 3x common, you'll get x plus 1, plus 1 common, you'll get x plus 1 equal to 0. This implies you'll get x equal to minus 1 by 3 comma minus 1. Tell me, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Who asked? Rishabh, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Then you substitute x equal to minus 1 by 3 and then you substitute x equal to minus 1. Let us substitute x equal to minus 1 first. We'll get 6 minus 8 plus 17 minus 21 plus 7. This is gone. This will be equal to a into minus 1 plus b. Okay. What is the... We have to find out ax minus b only, right? I think we can get it from here only. Ax minus
Sir,
b.
we need a plus b.
We need a plus b. Acha, okay.
Yes, sir.
So basically this was not required. Okay. This was not required, everyone, pay attention. Acha, wait. We have to create the polynomial. Acha, a into minus 1 plus b. My task is to find out a plus b, right? So I think we need to find out a and b. Acha, wait. The remainder we have to consider it as ax minus b. Acha, wait.
So we can find it out singularly by doing
Wait.
one of minus.
Ax minus b. So ax minus b. If I want to find out ax, a plus b. If you substitute x equal to minus 1, you people can understand that the left hand side will become 6 plus 17, 23 minus 21, 2, 2 plus 7, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8, 1. 1 will be equal to minus a minus b. Right, so what is a plus b? A plus b is minus 1. Okay. So without even finding out the value of a and b, you can find out the value of a plus b. Are you getting? Tell me, everyone. And if you want to find out the value of a and b, see, I've got one equation, a plus b equal to minus 1. And then for x equal to minus 1 by 3, you will get another equation. And then you can solve. Tell me, are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Abhishek, is it clear? Okay. Those who are online, are you getting? Satyaki?
Yes, sir. It was x minus b.
Yes. Rishabh, Shirup, Shomanyu, are you people getting?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yes, sir, getting, sir.
Okay. Shaita, are you getting? Okay. Next, number 4 is 1. Anyone having any doubt up to this much? Tell me. No? Last day what have we done? Oh, we were doing vanishing method.
Sir, can you explain the last one?
Last one is for vanishing method. Okay. So what is
Oh,
the
okay, sir. Okay,
polynomial? Should I complete? Tell me.
sir, I will try myself.
Acha. Let us do some problems today on vanishing method. You will be able to solve problem 4. Okay. Acha, last day I'm just doing a recap on vanishing method. Okay. Pay attention. So what is vanishing method? You will be given a quadratic. A quadratic will be equal to 0. You need to find out the value of x cube minus 2x plus 1. Okay. So your task is to always keep on reducing the powers. Okay. The whole idea of vanishing method is you have to keep on reducing the powers. So I've got x cube minus 2x plus 1. Okay. When you take x over here, when you take x common, you'll get x square minus 2. Right. And what is x square? From here, x square is equal to x plus 1. So substitute. After one substitution, you will see that you will get x into x plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Achha, now tell me, what is the degree of this polynomial? 2. And what is the degree before? 3. So see, the degree has been reduced from 3 to 2. The whole idea is to keep on reducing the degree of the polynomial. Okay, that's what vanishing method is. X plus 1 minus 2 will give us x minus 1. Okay. Achha, actually, there are different forms of vanishing method. Okay. Like, if you look in some books or you might watch some videos, okay, there are different forms of vanishing method. In some of the places, you have to replace the whole polynomial. Okay. Over here, I am replacing only x square. Over there, you have to convert the whole polynomial in terms of this, and you have to replace it. Means whole polynomial x cube minus 2x plus 1 should be converted in the form of x square minus x minus 1. But I would suggest that will take a lot of time and a lot of thinking, a lot of analysis in order to understand what you have to replace it with. So instead of that, I keep on replacing by x square. Okay, this is a better version of vanishing method. Okay. So x plus 1 minus 2 will give us minus x. X minus 1. When you multiply, you will get x square minus x plus 1. Again, you have got x square, replace x square by x plus 1. So when you substitute x plus 1, you will get x gets cancelled, you will get 1 plus 1 is equal to 2.
Sir, we can also say x square minus x equal to 1, and we can
Yes.
get 1 plus 1 too.
Yes. Like see, you can substitute 2 of the terms also. Okay. It's just that you have to keep on reducing the degree of the polynomial. And ultimately you will get a constant. That constant is your answer. I've shown method 2 also. Method 2, you divide the polynomial by the given polynomial. And why this works? Because dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right? If the divisor is equal to 0, this part is gone. Your answer will be the remainder. So the remainder is your answer. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay. Let us see whatever we were doing vanishing method. We'll continue. Okay. So everyone, sometimes the quadratic will not be given to you. Okay. So what you need to do? Note. Sometimes the quadratic will not be given to you. So what will you do? You have to form a quadratic. Okay, everyone. For example, if x equal to 2 plus root 3 is given, means x's value is given to you, and you need to find out the value of the expression. Okay. So how will you proceed? You can proceed it in 2 different ways according to the coefficients. Okay. Case 1. What you can do is you can take 2 to the left hand side and square both sides. X minus 2 whole square is equal to root 3 square. What are you getting? You will get x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 3. Taking 3 to the left hand side, you will get x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So see, this is how you can form the quadratic, right? But let us say that the coefficients are given something else, maybe in irrational form. So another way of forming a quadratic is by taking root 3 to the left hand side. Taking root 3 to the left hand side, x minus root 3 whole square will be equal to 2 square. Now what is x minus root 3 whole square? You will get x square minus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 4. This implies x square minus 2 root 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Are you getting, everyone? It depends upon what coefficient is given in the question. If the coefficients are given all rational, then you proceed by the first method. If all the coefficients in the polynomial are given rational number, like for example over here. Over here, all the coefficients are rational. Can you see integral form? All the coefficients are integral. So you proceed by the first method. And if all the coefficients are, means let us say somewhere over here you would have got root over 3, then you have to proceed with the second method. Understood, everyone? Anyone having any doubt? Those who are online, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us do some problems. You people try some problems from vanishing method. Question number 1 for today. If x equal to 3 plus root 2, find the value of. No, not this one. Not this. If x equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2, find the value of. Find the value of 4x cube plus 2x square minus 8x plus 7. Question number 2. If x equal to 3 plus root 2, find the value of x to the power 4 minus 2 root 2 x cube minus 42x plus 19. Solve. Question number 3. If f of x equal to x to the power 2010 plus x to the power 2000 plus 1, find the remainder. Find the remainder when x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is divided by. Sorry, find the remainder when f of x is divided by. When f of x is divided by x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Solve quickly. Okay, should I start the first one? Done. First one is done. So, yes, first one is correct. Those are online. Send your answers. Yes, Shiru, right answer. Your task is to keep on replacing x square. Or you can directly divide also. If you feel like you cannot replace, you are having problem with replacing the second degree polynomial, then you can divide it also. Yes, Ariman, right answer. Rishabh, right answer. Okay, I'm solving the first one. Pay attention, everyone. Okay.
Sir,
The
I'm
first
just sending.
Send quickly. It's been a long time. Yes, Kaushiki, is it done? Arush? No. Shaita, have you done it? If you are having a problem in replacing, you can also divide and get your answer. Satyaki, right answer? Shumani, right answer? Okay. So I'm solving, everyone. Pay attention. Over here, x equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now see, the coefficients are all rational. So taking 2 to the left hand side, you will get 2x equal to root 3 plus 1. 2x equal to root 3 plus 1, take 1 to the left hand side. You will get 2x minus 1 is equal to root 3. So we can square both sides. Squaring both sides, what are we getting? 2x minus 1 whole square is equal to root 3 square. This implies 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 3. This implies 4x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies 4x square, or you can say, you can divide it by 2, you will get 2x square is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, after getting 2x square is equal to 2x plus 1, or okay, you can start replacing. You can start replacing in the expression. 2x square is equal to 2x plus 1. Wait. After getting 2x square is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, start replacing everyone. Okay, we'll get. Okay, from here take x common. From here, wait. From here take x common. You'll get 4x square. 4x square plus 2x. 4x square plus 2x. Sorry. 4x square plus 2x minus 8 plus 7. Now see, what is 4x square? 4x square is 4x plus 2. Right, so substitute. We'll get x into 4x square is equal to 4x plus 2 plus 2x minus 8 plus 7. Okay, this will become x into 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x minus 6. I'm getting 6x minus 6 plus 7. Now again, when you open the brackets, 6x into x is 6x square minus 6x plus 7. Now we know, again, if 2x square is equal to 2x plus 1, so 6x square will be equal to 6x plus 3. So you'll get 6x plus 3 minus 6x plus 7. These two gets cancelled, 3 plus 7 is 10. Done. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. This question is it clear?
Yes, sir, I got it. It was like root 3 plus 1, like when I like not.
Oh, you took it as only root 3 plus 1. Shaita, is it clear? Arush? Start. Start with number 2. So see over here you have got an irrational coefficient also. You have to eliminate it. Shumanyu, this is the answer of which question? Number 2. Hello Shumanyu, this is the answer of which question? Okay, should I start everyone? Number 2? Tell me. No. Shawandu, you were saying something?
Sir, my result of coding is was
After the class will come. Currently solve. What are we solving? Polynomials.
sir, that day I think I have left one expression.
Complete. Okay, let me start with number 6. Let me start with number 2. Okay, everyone, pay attention. Let us start. So, as you can see, that the second term in the polynomial has irrational coefficient. That means you have to form the polynomial, you have to form the quadratic in irrational coefficient. Let us start. I've got x equal to 3 plus root 2. So let us form, we'll get x minus 3 whole square is equal to root 2 square. Oh, wait a minute. X minus root 2 whole square is equal to 3 square. What are we getting? X square plus 2 minus 2 root 2x is equal to 9. This implies x square minus 2 root 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, this is one quadratic. Next, so what was the polynomial? This is the polynomial. Okay, in this polynomial, if you take x square common, what are we getting? X square minus 2 root 2x. What is the value of x square minus 2 root 2x? 7, right? Tell me. So substitute, this will become 7x square minus 42x plus 19. Oh, now see, now all the polynomial, all the coefficients are rational. So you need to get a quadratic with rational coefficient also, right? So how will we get a quadratic with rational coefficient? Tell me. X minus 3 whole square is equal to root 2 square. What are we getting? Those who are online, are people getting? Satyaki,
Yes, sir.
Ariman, Shirup, Shumanyu, are people getting? Rishabh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get
So what are we getting? X square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 2. This implies x square minus 6x is equal to minus 7. Okay, let us see. X square minus 6x is equal to minus 7, or you can say x square is equal to 6x minus 7. So from here, if you okay, x square is 6x minus 7. So let us substitute. We'll get 7 into 6x minus 7 minus 42x plus 19. So everyone, 7 into 6x will give us how much? 42x minus 49 minus 42x plus 19. These two gets cancelled. What is minus 49 plus 19? Minus 30. Minus 30 is the correct answer. Tell me. You have to use the quadratic according to the coefficients given in the expression. It's important. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Chaita, is it clear?
Sir,
Okay. Yes, tell me.
can you solve this sum by dividing?
Over here,
Yes.
if you divide, wait a minute. This is question number 2. Over here, if you divide, the thing is, you will be able to remove the square root. But the problem will lie after removing this square root. After removing the square root, you will get our rational coefficient. So over there, you might face a problem. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So it's better to do it with vanishing method.
Okay, sir.
Okay, solve the third one. F of x equal to x to the power 2010 plus x to the power 2000 plus 1. We need to find out the remainder when f of x is divided by x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, Shumani, your right answer? Okay, let us start. This x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is a part of a polynomial. Okay, it's actually a factor of a polynomial. You need to identify. So, do you people remember? I had given one formula long back. I had given one formula x to the power n minus y to the power n. Anyone remembers? I had given this formula x power n minus y to the power n. What is x power n minus y to the power n? X minus y into x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2 into y plus x power n minus 3 into y square plus dot 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 dot. Right, tell me everyone. Do people remember? Plus y to the power n minus 1. Last term was y to the power n minus 1. I had given this formula, right? So everyone, if I put y equal to 1, see, if I put y equal to 1, what do we get? X power n minus 1. X power n minus 1 is x minus 1 into x to the power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2 plus x power n minus 3 plus dot 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 plus x plus 1. Right? Can you find a similarity between this expression and the expression by which we have to divide? Tell me. The powers are in the descending order, powers of x. Right? And what do I need? I need the highest power to be 4. That means over here I need the power to be 4. So what should I substitute in place of n? N is equal to 5. Okay. Okay, I need to substitute n is equal to 5. So x power 5 minus 1 will be equal to x power 5 minus 1 will be equal to x minus 1 into x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So everyone, so can I say that if a polynomial so can I say if a polynomial is divisible by x to power 4, sorry, x to power 5 minus 1, can I say it is also divisible by, let's see, if 16 is divisible by 8, 16 is also divisible by 4, right? 4 is a factor of 8, is also divisible by x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, right? Tell me everyone. Okay? So everyone now see the polynomial f of x. F of x equal to x to the power 2010 plus x to the power 2000 plus 1, right? What I am going to do is, I am going to subtract 1 and add 1. This will give us x to the power 2010 minus 1 plus x to the power 2000 minus 1. I have subtracted 2. I'll add 2. So plus 1 plus 2. Right. This is divisible by x to the power 5 minus 1. And this is also divisible by x to the power 5 minus 1. This will give us the remainder 0. This will give us the remainder 0. So what is the remainder? Therefore the remainder is equal to 3. Tell me. This is one method to understand after doing this much step. Tell me. Are people getting? Kaushik, is it clear? Arush? Abhijay? Those who are online, is it clear? Satyaki, Aryaman?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Rishabh.
sir, how are we getting that x to the power of 2010 minus 1 is divisible? X minus
Oh,
5.
okay. I'll do one more step for you.
Hmm.
So Rishabh, I've got x power 2010 minus 1. Can I write it as x power 5 whole to the power 402 minus 1 plus
Yes,
x
yes,
power 400 whole to the power 5 minus 1? Can I write like this?
yes, sir.
Now, sorry, x power 5 whole to the power 400 minus 1. Now are they divisible by x to the power 5 minus 1? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, Aryaman, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you, Shirup, have you understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. There's another method. Now see, now we know that x to the power 5 minus 1, we need to divide by x to the power 5 minus 1, right? We actually need to divide by x to the power 5 minus 1. So can I write f of x equal to x to the power 2010 plus x to the power 2000 plus 1. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Remainder we need to find out. For remainder, in order to get the remainder, we need to substitute x to the power 5 is equal to 1. Substitute x power 5 is equal to 1, you will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to remainder. Done. Tell me, are you people getting this method? Remainder is equal to 3. Tell me. Division algorithm. Shaita, are you getting? Any doubt you have? Tell me. Over here? No. Over here? Tell me. Kaushik, is it clear? Avijay? Arush? Okay. Next. Okay, next topic is pattern based problem. Pattern based problems. Yes. Okay, pattern based problems. Pay attention. What it is? You know what he did? No. Avijay, you know? I told him. Last day he was shaking rain while pulling his hand off. His watch fell. What happened to that watch, Harush?
It stayed there till next morning
Now-
and memo.
You are not wearing that watch. What happened? Like you have given it for repair.
It's with my father now.
Yes.
It's actually my father.
So your father knows you can't handle your watch. Yes. So pattern based problem here, everyone. Pay attention. So over here you need to identify the pattern. Okay. And create another polynomial. For example, I'll give you an example, everyone. What kind of questions will come? For example, a cubic polynomial. A cubic polynomial. F of x is such that. A cubic polynomial f of x is such that f of 1 equal to 1, f of 2 equal to 2, f of 3 is equal to 3. Okay, it's a cubic polynomial. And f of 4 is equal to 5. You need to find out f of 6. Find f of 6. Okay, everyone. F of 1 equal to 1, f of 2 equal to 2, f of 3 equal to 3, f of 4 is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to 5, and you need to find out f of 6. Okay, everyone, what is the pattern over here? See, there are three particular equations which are following a pattern. What is the pattern over here?
Sir,
Tell me.
first three.
First three, right? F of 1 is 1, f of 2 is 2, f of 3 is 3, right? F of 4 is not following a pattern. We'll look after it later on. Okay. So over here the pattern is, write it down. Over here, acha wait, before solving this one, okay, there is another method of solving this, okay, method 1. Method 1. What you can do is, you know that it is a cubic polynomial, right? And 4 conditions are given to us. So let f of x be equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, right? Tell me. Now, since f of 1 equal to 1, we can say f of 1 is equal to a plus b plus c plus d, which is equal to 1, right? Tell me. You substitute x equal to 1, f of 1 will be equal to 1. What is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to 8a plus 4b plus 2c plus d is equal to 2. F of 3 will be equal to 9a plus 27a plus 9b plus 4c plus d is equal to 3. Oh, 3c. And f of 4 is equal to 64a plus 16b plus 4c plus d is equal to 5. So you have got 4 equations in 4 variables. You have to solve these 4 equations simultaneously and get the value of a, b, c and d. You will get the resultant polynomial. It will take around 2-3 pages. Okay. Around 3-4 business days. Okay, anyways. While solving the polynomial simultaneously. Right. But I've got another method for you people. Okay. I made it easier for you. Method 2. Pattern based problem. Okay. So over here, what is the pattern? Try to understand what is the pattern over here. Pattern is f of x equal to x for x equal to 1, 2 and 3. Right, can you people understand? This is the pattern over here. F of x equal to x for x equal to 1, 2 and 3. So over here, the idea is you take another polynomial such that x equal to 1, 2 and 3 becomes the zeros of that polynomial. Okay. So let q of x is equal to f of x minus x. Okay, this is the polynomial I am taking. Q of x equal to f of x minus the pattern. Okay. Why I have taken this? You will see that q of 1 will be equal to f of 1 minus 1, that is 0. Q of 2 is equal to f of 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Q of 3 is equal to f of 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. So now you people tell me what is the degree of q of x? Raise your hand, tell me. What do you think? What should be the degree of this polynomial? Raise your hand. Can anyone tell me the degree of this polynomial? Q of x. Or should you want to try? Yes, 3. Why? It can have more than 3. Right? It can have more than 3. But why 3 only? Or tell me any other answer you have. Somebody from online raising. Okay, nobody is raising their hand. Tell me. What is the degree of this polynomial? Tell me. Think a little bit. See, q of x equal to f of x minus x. What is the degree of this polynomial? Can anyone tell me? Okay, Shumanyu is raising the hand. Shumanyu, tell me, what is the degree of this polynomial?
3.
3. Why?
Because in the line it shows f of 4 is this 64a plus 16b plus 4c plus d is equal to 5, which matches the structure of the cubic polynomial, which is f of x is equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus
You
c.
cannot understand. These values, though, I substituted in method 1. I substituted f of 4. Try to understand. Okay,
Yes.
Satyaki, tell me.
Sir, actually, I think it depends on the coefficient of x in f of x.
Coefficient? How can it depends upon the coefficient of x? Okay, Arish, tell me.
Sir, it is given that f of x is a cubic polynomial which necessarily means that the coefficient of x cube
Coefficient.
coefficient of x cube is not 0, so it will not be a cubic polynomial. So it naturally the q of x will also be a cubic polynomial.
Why?
Since we are separating an x, so it will be x cube plus bx squared plus c
Yes, you are
minus
correct.
1x plus
So try to understand what he said. The right hand side you have a cubic polynomial minus x. What is the degree of this expression? 3. And what is the degree of this expression? 1. What is the highest power on the right hand side? 3 only. So q of x is cubic. Right, tell me everyone. Are you people getting? Okay. Kaushik, is it clear? Abhijay? Shaita, is it clear? Okay. You know the meaning of degree of a polynomial, right? The highest power of the terms in the polynomial. So over here, this implies the degree of q of x is equal to 3. It was very important to recognize that the degree of q of x is equal to 3. Acha, tell me, q of 1 will be equal to f of 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Right? Q of 2 will be equal to f of 2 minus 2, which is also equal to 0. Right? Q of 3 will be equal to f of 3 minus 3, which is also equal to 0. Okay. So see, 1, 2 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Right? 1, 2 and 3 are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay. So can I say, Acha, will there be any more zero of this polynomial? Tell me. No. There will be no more, because the highest degree, the degree of q of x is 3 only. There cannot be more than 3 zeros. So this implies x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of q of x. X minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of q of x. So I can say, can I say this? And these are the only factors of q of x. This implies q of x is equal to k into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay. And what have we taken for q of x? Q of x is f of x minus x. So f of x minus x will be equal to k into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This implies f of x will be equal to k into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus x. Right. So see, this step was very important, creating the polynomial f of x. Okay. Can you people realize this? That f of x is equal to k into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus the pattern. Right, the pattern was f of x equal to x only. Now I need to find out the value of k. Can anyone tell me how shall we find out the value of k?
F of 4.
By using f of 4, right, the condition is given to us that x equal to 4. Putting x equal to 4, what are we getting? Putting x equal to 4. Huh? K equal to 1 by 6. This implies f of 4 is equal to k into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 4. This implies k is equal to 1 by 6. After getting k equal to 1 by 6, you have got the polynomial. Therefore, f of x equal to 1 by 6 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus x. Now my task is to find out f of 6. Therefore, f of 6 is equal to 1 by 6 into, we will got 16, 5 into 4 into 3 but plus 6, which will give us 16. Tell me. Anyone having read out, you can ask me. Tell me, Abhijay, is it clear? And Arush, understood. Anyone having any doubt? Those who are online, you people understood? Ariman, Satyaki, Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
Shiru, Shumanyu, is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Ariman, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You people also try some problems. Okay. Understand the pattern and then solve. Question number. This is 4. Question number 4. If f of x is a monic polynomial, if f of x is a monic polynomial of degree 3 such that f of 1 equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 4 and f of 3 is equal to 6. Find f of 5. Solve. Question number 5. Question number 5. If f of x is a cubic polynomial, of degree 5 such that f of x equal to, wait a minute, f of x is a cubic polynomial of degree 5. Why did I write degree 5? F of x is a polynomial, cubic polynomial such that f of 1 equal to 10, f of 2 equal to 20, and f of 3 is equal to 30, such that its leading coefficient is 1. Find f of 12 plus f of minus 8 upon 10. Solve. You people have forgotten the meaning of monic polynomial? Yes, Satyaki, tell me. What is the monic polynomial?
Sir, the like, coefficient of the highest degree, highest power x is like 1.
Yes, coefficient of the highest power should be equal to 1. Coefficient of the term with the highest power should be equal to 1. Okay, don't forget, this kind of questions will come. Like, in Olympiads, they will mention a monic polynomial. You have to understand that the leading coefficient is 1. Okay, if the leading coefficient is 1, then it is a monic polynomial. Okay, write it down. Okay, Shirup, your answer is correct. Take your time, follow each and every step properly. Once you have understood the pattern, it will be easier to solve. Satyaki, your answer is correct. So done.
So first one.
Correct. First one.
First one.
No, that's something else. Yes, Rishabh, first one is correct. So your first one is done. Same pattern, you have to use the same pattern. So no need to substitute. Yes, Shamanyu, Ariman, is it done? Number 4.
Yes, sir.
Send quickly, Shamanyu and Ariman. Now it's Satyaki's 5 is correct. Yes, Shamanyu, number 4 is correct. Okay, I'm solving number 4. Yes, Ariman, 4 is correct. So who is left for 4? I think everyone has solved 4. I think everyone has solved 4. Okay, 4, everyone got the answer. The answer is 34. So I'm not solving 4. Okay, everyone. You people try out number 5. Yes, Shumanyu, 5 is correct. Question number 6. Question number 6. Let f of x be a polynomial. Let f of x be a polynomial of degree 5 such that f of x equal to 1 by x for x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find f of 7. Over here the pattern is given. Okay. Yes, proceed. Yes, Rishabh, number 5 is correct. Okay, I'm starting with number 5. Everyone pay attention. In number 5, what's the pattern? Tell me, everyone. In number 5, what's the pattern? F of x equal to 10x, right?
Sir, 2x.
2x, Satyaki. F of 1 equal to 10.
Sorry, sir, 10x, 10x.
10x. Yes, Shirup, your answer is correct. So can I take q of x equal to f of x minus 10x? Right, tell me. Are you getting Shirup?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I've got f of x equal to, q of x equal to f of x minus 10x. Q of 1 equal to 0, q of 2 equal to 0, q of 3 will be equal to 0, right? Q of 1 equal to 0, q of 2 is equal to 0, and q of 3 is also equal to 0. Okay, so I can say that x minus 1, x minus 2
Sir, same answer.
Ariman, your answer is correct. So I can say x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of q of x. Right, Abhijoy?
So we show the next question also.
Yes. calculation mistakes. Okay, so I can say that, and see over here the leading coefficient is 1. If the leading coefficient of f of x is 1, q of x will also be equal to 1, right? So everyone, what is q? So I can say that q of x, over here no need to write down k. Q of x will be equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. And what is q of x? Q of x is f of x minus 10x, right? This is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Taking 10x to the right hand side, we'll get f of x equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus 10x. Okay. Now what is my, now over here what do I need to find out? I need to find out f of 12 plus f of minus 8 divided by 10. What is f of 12? F of 12 is equal to 11 into 10 into 9 plus 120, right? And what is f of minus 8? F of minus 8 is equal to minus 9 into minus 10 into minus 11. And over here 10 into minus 8, minus 80. So what is f of 12 plus f of minus 8? By 4. By 10, right? This will be equal to 11 into 10 into 9 plus 120. And this is minus minus plus minus minus. Minus 9 into 10 into 11 minus 80 divided by 4. So obviously you can see that these two will get cancelled. Hi, 10. These two will get cancelled. We'll get 120 minus 80, that is 40 divided by 10, which is 4. Tell me, is it clear, Abhijay? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. Solve number 6. Should I solve? Tell me. Okay, Ariman, your answer is correct, but Ariman, can you send me your full solution? Hello, Ariman, can you send me your full solution?
Yes, sir. Same one.
Same. Over here, you might be thinking that let us start with q of x equal to f of x minus 1 by x, right? But that is a mistake. So Ariman, hello Ariman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
It's number 6, right? You have done it like this: q of x equal to x into f of x minus 1, right? Can you tell me why didn't you start with q of x equal to f of x minus 1 by x? Why didn't you start with this? Tell me. We should start with this expression, right? Whatever question we have done it before, prior to this, we have always started with q of x equal to f of x minus pattern. Why didn't you start with this? Tell me. Ariman. Why did you start with q of x equal to x into f of x minus 1? Can you tell me?
It was not happening like that. I tried it like that one.
Huh? Couldn't understand. What did you say? How did it occur to your head that you have to try out with x into f of x minus 1 instead of f of x minus 1 by x? How did it occur in your head? Tell me. Hello, Ariman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, like what came to your head that you started with x into f of x minus 1 instead of f of x minus 1 by x? Tell me. Ariman, did you copy from somewhere?
No, sir.
Huh? Yes or no? Tell me. Hello, Ariman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what came to your mind that you started with this and not this? Tell me. What came to your mind? Who told you to start with this and not this? Hello, Ariman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, or did you copy from somewhere? At least tell me. At least tell me from where did you copy? I also should know sources. Tell me. From where did you copy? I won't tell anyone. Tell me. Tell me from where did you copy? Tell me, Ariman. Who helped you? Which website? No, Ariman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what happened. He just said yes, sir. He's on loop. Yes, sir. I am asking something. Cannot give me a valid answer.
Probably recording.
He's probably
It's
recording.
probably
Oh,
recording.
Osha, yes. After every 30 seconds, you have to say yes. You are attending the class. Again, Ariman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what came to your mind that you started with this and not this? Tell me. I'm asking a very genuine question. It's not like I'm asking a very rough and tough question. I'm asking a very genuine question. Tell me. Okay, I don't think so. He will answer. Okay, You people tell me, why should I start with? Exactly, very good. Very good. Try to understand. Because this is not a polynomial.
Sir, power of x cannot be other than whole number.
Exactly, this is not a polynomial. Okay, so over here, how are we getting x into f of x minus 1? Pay attention. You see, f of x into f of x minus 1 should be equal to 0, right? Tell me everyone. So from here, when you multiply by x, since x cannot be equal to 0, when you multiply by x into f of x minus 1 will be equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. Are people getting? So this is your pattern now. Q of x will be equal to x into f of x minus 1. Right, tell me everyone. So now you people tell me, what is the degree of Q of x? 6. Correct.
Yes,
Why? Can you tell me, Koshiki, why the degree of Q of x will be 6?
f of x is degree 5.
Yes.
When we multiply with x,
It will become 6, degree 6, right? So Q of x is a polynomial of degree 6. You see Q of 1 will be equal to 0, Q of 2 will be equal to 0, Q of 3 will be equal to 0, Q of 4 will be equal to 0, Q of 5 will be equal to 0, Q of 6 will be equal to 0. Right? All of them will be equal to 0. So I can say that Q of x will be equal to x into f of x minus 1 will be equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 up to x minus 6. Right, tell me everyone. Are people getting? Achha, actually k should also be there. Now my task is to find out k. Can you people tell me a method? Tell me what shall we substitute in place of x so that I'll get a real value of k? Raise your hand, tell me. What I shall substitute? Raise your hand. Don't speak up in between. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Yes, Kaushik, you want to say? 6. If you substitute 6, k is vanished. You see?
So minus 1.
Minus 1. If you substitute minus 1, what is the value of f of minus 1? It's not given. So what shall we substitute?
Sir, why? F of x is into 8.
Can you tell me what shall we substitute in place of x so that we get a real value of k? Not in terms of f, because that's of no use. I want a 0. Very good. Substitute q of 0. X into f of x is vanished. Can you people understand? What is q of 0? Q of 0 will be equal to 0 minus 1 will be equal to k into minus 1 into minus 2 up to minus 6. So what is the value of k, everyone? K will be equal to minus 1 by 6 factorial. Tell me, are you people getting? So what is the value of f of x now? So actually, let us substitute k equal to minus 1 by 6 factorial over here. What do we get? Q of x will be equal to x into f of x minus 1. This will be equal to minus 1 by 6 factorial into x minus 1 into x minus 2 up to x minus 6. Now my task is to find out the value of f of 7. So we'll substitute 7, right? Putting x equal to 7. We should get our result. This implies 7 into f of 7 minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 by 6 factorial into 7 minus 1 is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Sharita, you know that product of the first 10 natural numbers is n factorial. You know this? Okay. So these two will get cancelled. Once these two gets cancelled, you are going to get f of 7 into f of 7 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So again, these two will get cancelled. We will get f of 7 is equal to 0 by 7, which is 0. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, are people getting? Abhijay, is it clear? Kaushiki, Sharita, is it clear? Arush? Those are online. Satyaki, Rishabh, Shiru, Sumanyu, Aryaman.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Waiting, sir.
So Aryaman, this is why you have used x into f of x minus 1, right? Okay, next question number 7. A quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial is exactly divisible by x plus 1 and x plus 2 and leaves a remainder 4 when divided by x plus 3. Find the quadratic. You have to find out the quadratic expression. Quickly solve, everyone. This one is very simple. Where? You have to create this quadratic polynomial where two of the factors are given and it's given that it leaves a remainder 4 when divided by x plus 3. So all three conditions are given to us, and a quadratic polynomial has three constants also, a, b and c. Done? Sure. Correct. Should we start, everyone? Tell me.
No, sir, I'm saying.
Send quickly. Rishabh, did you understand the previous problem? Rishabh, Sumanyu, did you people understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shirup, your answer is correct. Shirup, I hope that is a plus sign in between.
Yes, sir, that's a plus.
Sure. Correct. Okay, let us start. So over here I've got a quadratic polynomial is exactly divisible by x plus 1 and x plus 2. That means x plus 1 and x plus 2 are the factors of that quadratic, right? X plus 1 and x plus 2 are the factors of that quadratic. Will there be any more linear factor of this quadratic? Tell me. Okay,
No, sir.
Satyaki, check your answer again. Will there be any more linear factor of this quadratic? Tell me. Will there be any more factor of this quadratic? No. Right, there cannot be any more factor of this quadratic. So can I say that let f of x equal to k into x plus 1 into x plus 2? Tell me, can I say this? Yes or no? Just tell me. Chaita, are you getting? I can directly say that f of x equal to k, some leading coefficient multiplied by x plus 1 into x plus 2, because these are the factors of this quadratic. My task is to find out the polynomial. My task is to find out the value of k. That will be get it from the third condition. It gives a remainder 4 when divided by x plus 3. That means f of minus 3 is given as 4, right? Tell me everyone. Are you people getting? F of minus 3 is given as 4, so we can substitute. On substituting, what do we get? F of minus 3 is equal to k into minus 3 plus 1. K into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2. This will be equal to 4. Right, tell me everyone. So what are we getting everyone? K into minus 2 into minus 1. That is 2k equal to 4. So k equal to 2. After getting the value of k, we can substitute back. Therefore, f of x equal to 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 2, which is 2 into x square plus 3x plus 2. Done. Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, Ariman, have you understood? Ariman and
Yes.
Sumanyu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, our next topic is HCF and LCM of polynomials. Okay, anyone having any doubt till now, you can ask me. Next, HCF and LCM of polynomials. Okay, we're finding HCF. Just like we used to find HCF of numbers. Okay, same way over here also, you need to find out the HCF of polynomials. You people know how to factorize. It's very simple. Okay, finding HCF. Finding HCF, highest common factor. Okay, step 1. Factorize all the given polynomials. Factorize all the given polynomials. Step 2. Find the HCF of numerical factors. Find the HCF of numerical factors. Okay. Find all the, we'll factorize all the given polynomials, then find the HCF of all the numerical factors. If there exists any numerical factor, you have to find out its HCF. Next, step 3. Product of all the common factors is their HCF. Product of all the common factors is their HCF. Okay, for example, I am taking polynomials f of x equal to 4x square minus 20x plus 24 and g of x equal to 6x cube minus 36x square plus 66x minus 36 and h of x equal to 8x square minus 24x plus 16. So what is f of x? Let us factorize f of x first. You people can see 4 is common, isn't it? Take 4 common, you are going to get x square minus 5x plus 6. On factorizing x square minus 5, let's factorize everyone. Factorize and tell me what are the factors? 4 into, tell you. Factorize x square minus 5x plus 6. What are you getting? After factorization. X minus 2 into x minus 3. So we'll get 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Tell me. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next. G of x. What is g of x? G of x equal to, see 6 is common, right? Take 6 common, you will get x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Tell me. Everyone knows how to factorize a cubic polynomial? Tell me. Does everyone knows? Arush, you know? Hopefully. I see, if you don't know how to factorize a cubic polynomial, pay attention. You have to find out the first factor, first zero of the polynomial by hit and trial method. But that also constructive hit and trial. Okay, you see the last term. Last term is 6. Right. Last term is 6, right? What are the factors of 6? Tell me. 1, 2, plus minus, yes. Plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. Okay. Now what you do is, and 6 also, okay. Plus minus 6. What you do is, you try with 1 first. Try with 1 first, then minus 1, 2, then minus 2, 3, then minus 3. Achha, does 1 satisfies? Tell me everyone. What is g of 1? G of
Yes,
1
sir, it
is 6
satisfies.
into 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 minus 6. It is equal to 0, right everyone? So that means x minus 1 is a factor. Right, tell me everyone. This implies x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. After this, there are 2 ways to proceed. I will show you both the methods. Whichever method you people like. Okay. First one is by long division method. You people know long division. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Divide by x minus 1. With x we have to multiply x square first. We'll get x cube minus x square. Subtract, this 2 gets cancelled. We are going to get minus 5x square plus 11x. Tell me, with x what do we need to multiply now? To get minus 5x square, minus 5x. So multiply by minus 5x. We'll get minus 5x square plus 5x. Subtract, this 2 will get cancelled. You will get 6x. Rishabh, are you getting? 6x then minus 6. Tell me, with x what do we need to multiply now? 6. So plus 6. We'll get 6x minus 6. Done. So we can say dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Therefore, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to x minus 1 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Now you people can factorize x square minus 5x plus 6. Just now we have done it. This will become x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, this is one way of factorizing a cubic polynomial. I'll show you another method. Okay, another method of factorizing a cubic polynomial. Pay attention. Now you know that x minus 1 is a factor of g of x, right? After hit and trial method, you people know that x minus 1 is a factor of g of x. What you do is, you group the terms in such a way such that you can factor out x minus 1. Understood? I repeat, you group the terms in such a way such that you can factorize x minus 1 out. So everyone, x cube minus 6x, with x cube, what do I need? I need x square, right? In order to take x minus 1 out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it as x cube minus x square. So that x minus 1 is outside common. Now see everyone, I've got minus x square. How much more x square we need? Minus 5. So I'll get minus 5x square. Okay, tell me. After that, there should be a next term. So what do I need to add? Plus 5x, minus 5x, then in between you'll get x plus 1. Right. So plus 5x. Okay. Now see, 11x is broken as 5x. So how much is left? 6x. So plus 6x minus 6. Then tell me, did you people understand this method? Or should I explain? Arush, is it clear? Possibly? Those who are online, are people getting? Tell me. Those who are online, Ariman, Satyaki, Rishabh, Shirup and Shumanyu, did you people understand? Tell me.
Sir, I got the HCF.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Shelta, is it clear? Okay. After this, see from the first two terms, x square is common, right? X square common, x minus 1, minus 5 common, minus 5x common, x minus 1, plus 6 common, x minus 1. Done. Now see, this will become x square minus 5x plus 6 into x minus 1. See, you'll get the same thing, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
So could you repeat how you got that x cube minus x square minus 5x square, that portion? I think my internet got off.
Yes, Rishabh, pay attention. See, your task is to take x minus 1 common out everywhere. Right. So, Rishabh, with x cube, over here you should have minus x square, right or not? Then only you'll be able to take out x minus 1 common out. Tell me. Rishabh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, we have got minus x square. So see, minus 6x square, I've already taken minus x square. Minus 5x square is left out. So I've written it over here.
Yes.
With minus 5x square, what term you should get so that you'll get x minus 1 common out? Plus 5x,
Yes, sir.
right? It will
Yes.
not be minus 5x. See, if it was minus 5x, then when you take minus 5x common, within brackets you'll get x plus 1.
Yes.
Right, so it should be plus 5x, opposite signs. So 11x has been broken into 5x. What is left out? 6x. So I've written 6x over here. So 6x minus 6.
Okay,
So
sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
After this, I have taken common out. Let's see over here x square common, x minus 1. Over here minus 5x common, x minus 1. Over here plus 6 common, x minus 1. Done. After this, you take x minus 1 common out, you will get the result. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Kaushik, is it clear? How I factorized? Whichever method you like. So g of x will be equal to 6 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now the last one is h of x. H of x, when you take 8 common, we have got x square minus 3x plus 2. We'll get 8 into x minus 1 into x minus 2, right? So first step is over. I've got h of x. I've got g of x in the factorized form. And I've got f of x also in the factorized form. H of x will be equal to 8 into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. Now step 2, we need to find out the HCF of the numerical factors. Right. What is the HCF of 4, 6 and 8? Tell me. 2.
The 2.
Therefore HCF will be equal to 2 into. Now, which one is the common factor? Tell me the common factor, linear common factor. X minus 2.
X minus
So this is our HCF, 2 into x minus 2. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me. Abhijay, is it clear? Arush, Shaita, is it clear? Those who are online, Ariman, Satyaki, Rishabh, Shirup and Shumanyu, is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now everyone, can someone tell me the LCM also in this case? Raise your hand. If you people have understood LCM, tell me the LCM as well. Raise your hand. Quickly. Tell me, what will be the LCM? It's very simple. If you have got LCM, tell me the LCM. Only one person is raising that. Okay, Satyaki, tell me, what is the LCM?
Sir, it is 24 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3.
24 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right, tell me everyone. Did you people understand or not? Abhijay, is it clear? Harush? Okay. Next we have monomials. So this was all about polynomials like multinomials. Shinu, mute yourself. So monomials everyone, monomials. For example, if I want to find out the HCF and LCM of 24x cubed y square z to the power 4, comma 36 x to the power 4 y to the power 4 and 48 x cubed z cubed. I want to find out the HCF of this expression. Raise your hand. Can anyone tell me? First of all, you have to find out the HCF of the numerical factors. Can anyone tell me what is the HCF of 24, 40, 36 and 48? 12. You people got 12? Next. For each of them, you have to take the lowest of the powers. For x, what is the lowest power?
Sir, x cube.
What is the lowest power of y? 0. Gone.
Sir, 0.
It will not be there. Z? 0. Gone.
Sir,
Not
0.
there. So this is your HCF. Right, tell me everyone. Are people getting? So next LCM. Can someone tell me LCM? Raise your hand. Can someone tell me LCM? Yes, Arush, go on.
So LCM of 24, 36 and 48 multiplied by
I'll find out LCM of 24, 36 and 48 for you, right? You will find out. No?
so 96 x to the power 4 y to the power 4 z to the power 4.
So 96 is divisible by 36, right? Those who are online, tell me, anyone, tell me what is the HCF? Want to say? Share that? 144, correct. 144 into what should be the power of x? Now over here we need to take the highest of the powers. Tell me, x to the power
4.
4, y to the power
4.
4, and z to the power
4.
z to the power 4. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. It's very simple. Just take the highest of the powers in LCM, lowest of the powers in HCM. So let us do some problems. See, in Olympiads, you won't be asked to find out the HCF and LCM of this expression. You may be asked if you are lucky enough. But what kind of question will come? I am telling you. Pay attention. Question number. What is the question number? Tell me. 8. So before doing question number 8, there is another thing. That is, you people know HCF into LCM is equal to
The product of the numbers.
product of two polynomials. Product of two polynomials. Remember. Next. Question number 8. Find the HCF of x to the power 50 minus y to the power 50 and x to the power 60 minus y to the power 60. Solve. Question number 9. If the HCF of 8x cubed y to the power a and 12x to the power b y square is 4x to the power a y to the power b. Find the maximum value Find the maximum value of a plus b. Solve. Question number 10. The LCM of
So will the first word of question number 9 be if?
question 9.
Yes.
Eight.
Oh.
The LCM of the polynomials x square plus x minus 2 into x square plus x minus a and x square plus x minus b into x square plus 5x plus a is x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3 into x minus 2. Find a and b. Solve. Yes, Satyaki, right answer. Number 1. Number 8. Should I solve 8, everyone? 8 is very easy. Just 8 is done. 8 is very easy. Correct. And Kaushiki, can you write a little bit big so that it's easier for me to check from here only? Okay, let us start. Yes, Shomani, right answer. Ariman 9 is correct. Okay, pay attention with question number 8. It is very easy. Find out the HCF of 50 and 60. We'll be able to solve it. Tell me, what is the HCF of 50 and 60? What is the highest common factor of 50 and 60? Done, Arush. Why? This is a very simple problem. Pay attention. It's a very simple problem. Why is it taking so much time? Pay attention. X bar 50 minus y to the power 50 and x bar 60 minus y to the power 60. Pay attention. Number 8.
X to the power 10.
Only x bar 10. What is the HCF of?
X to the power 10 into x minus 1.
What is the HCF of 50 and 60? Tell me. 10. Right. So can I factorize? You people just now today only we did, right, x power n minus y to the power n formula. So x power 50 minus y to the power 50. Can I write it as x power 10 whole to the power 5 minus y to the power 10 whole to the power 5? Tell me. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Today only we did one expansion, right? This will become x power 10 minus y to the power 10 multiplied by x power 10 whole to the power 4, right? Dot 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 dot, many things will be there. I'm not writing it, not required. Next, similarly x power 60 minus y to the power 60, can I write it as x power 10 whole to the power 6 minus y to the power 10 whole to the power 6? Can I write it as x power 10 minus y to the power 10 into x power 10 whole to the power 5 minus x power 10, sorry, plus x power 10 whole to the power 4 into y to the power 10 plus dot 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 dot. Right, tell me here. Tell me, what is the highest common factor? Is there any common factor between these two? Tell me here. X power 10 minus y to the power 10. Done. Therefore, HCF is x power 10 minus y to the power 10. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Chaitra, is it clear? Very simple. Avijay, Arush, those who are online. Shiru, did you understand? Shiru, Ariman.
Yes.
Satyaki, check number 9. Shumanyu, number 9 is correct. Yes, number 9 should I solve?
Sir, then for any x to the power a minus y to the power a and x to the power b minus y to the power b, then the HCF is x to the power a, x to the power HCF of a.
X bar HCF of A and B minus y to the power HCF of B. Number 9 should I start? Tell me, it's a very conceptual problem. If the HCF of 8x cubed y to the power A is equal to 12x to the power b y square and 12x to the power b y square is 4x to the power A y to the power b, you have to find out the maximum value of the equation. Although you are playing football. Okay, let us start. Number 9. Pay attention. We've got 8x cube y to the power a and 12x to the power b y square is equal to 4x to the power a y to the power b. Pay attention. Eight x to the power a. Sorry, what is it? 8x cube y to the power a. 8x cube y to the power a and 12 x to the power b y square, right? And what is the HCF? 4x to the power a y to the power b. That means minimum value of 3 comma b is equal to a, right? Tell me everyone. And minimum value of a comma 2 is equal to b, right? Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? Minimum of 3 comma b should be equal to a and minimum of a comma 2 should be equal to b. Achha, by looking at minimum of a comma 2 is equal to b, b cannot be more than 2. Can you take b more than 2? Just tell me. You cannot take b more than 2. Okay. So maximum value of b should be, what is the maximum value of b? 2.
So 2.
Let us substitute over here. That means minimum of 3 comma 2 should be equal to a. Acha, what is the minimum of 3 comma 2? 2. Done. So a should be 2 only. There is no other possibility. You can check. So what is the maximum value of a plus b? The maximum value of a plus b should be equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. See, these kind of questions can be asked in Olympiads. Actually, not this one, extended version of these kind of questions. Okay, some more things will be included. Okay. Solve number 10. So, solve number 10, tell me. Let us start with number 10, okay everyone? Let's start with number 10. Pay attention. Look at the expression. I'll solve it very constructively, step by step. Okay, pay attention. This is what? Let us call this as g of x. Let us call this as g of x. And there is something called f of x. Okay, f of x is x square plus x minus 2. Okay. This is f of x, this is g of x. And what is the HCF? Let us write down the HCF as well. This is question number 10. What is the HCF? LCM or HCF? LCM. LCM is x minus 1 into, this is the whole LCM. Okay, so I've got LCM, I've got f of x and g of x. Pay attention everyone. How will I start? See, first of all, x square plus x minus 2, I can factorize it, yes or no? After factorization, what will I get? F of x will be equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Or x minus 2 into x plus 1, I guess, right? No, x plus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 1 into x plus 2.
Sir, x minus 1 I got.
Okay. Into x square plus x minus 2. Pay attention. So this is the equation right in front of you. LCM should be x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3 into x minus 2. Pay attention everyone. I have already got x minus 1. I've already got x plus 2, right? X minus 1, I've already got x plus 2. Pay attention. Now, LCM should be x plus 2 whole square. That means there should be 2x plus 2's in at least one of the polynomials. Means either over here you should have x plus 2 whole square, or over here you should have x plus 2 whole square. Tell me, are you people able to realize this, analyze this, yes or no? But can x plus 2 whole square be over here? Can x plus 2 whole square be a factor over here? Because what is x plus 2 whole square? X plus 2 whole square is x square plus 4x plus 4, right? Tell me everyone. Are you people getting?
Yes.
That means you need x plus 2 to be a factor of this expression, but this cannot be x plus 2 whole square. This cannot be x plus 2 whole square. It can happen that x plus 2 is a factor of this expression and x plus 2 is a factor of this expression, right? This is one possibility. Or it can happen that x plus 2 is a factor of this expression, right? I mean, these two cases are definite. It will definitely happen. Tell me, are you people getting or not? If you are not getting, let me know, I'll explain again. Tell me, Arush, you understood that these two cases will definitely happen? Tell me, Shilta, are you getting? Ariman, Shwanu, Sataki, are you people getting?
So can I
Yes,
explain it?
sir.
Yes.
Yes. Somebody, huh? What? Yes. Again, pay attention. Case 1, it can happen that x plus 2 whole square is a factor of f of x. Right, tell me. If x plus 2 whole square is a factor of f of x, that means x plus 2 is a factor of this expression, right? This implies x plus 2 is a factor of x square plus x minus a, right? So we can substitute x equal to minus 2, right? This implies minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 plus minus a is equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 2. Right, tell me everyone. Check. Minus 2 whole square is 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus a equal to 0, a equal to 2. This is one case, right? So in this case, let us find out what is the value of b. Okay. So if a equal to 2 over here, if you substitute a equal to 2 over here, will you be able to factorize it? Tell me. G of x becomes x square plus x minus b into x square plus 5x plus 2. Will you be able to factorize x square plus 5x plus 2? Tell me. Is it possible? What is that discriminant? Discriminant is not a perfect square.
Yes, sir. Not possible.
So this case is discarded. It's not possible only. Right? Further, even if you think that x plus 2 whole square is the factor of this expression, this expression, okay. So you've got x plus 2 over here, and another one will be, if x plus 2 is a factor of this expression, what will be the other factor? A is 2, other factor will be x minus 1. So you've got x minus 1, you've got x plus 2 whole square. That means x plus 3 and x minus 2 should be a factor of this expression, right? Are you getting? But can it be possible that x plus 3 and x minus 2 both are factors of this expression? Let us check, okay. If it is possible, then I think it is possible. Let's see. Okay, this implies x minus 2 is a factor, should be a factor of x square plus x minus b. What does it give us? This implies 2 square plus 2 minus b should be equal to 0. This implies b should be equal to 6. Right everyone, b I've got 6. So g of x, let us factorize everything, okay? So I've got f of x equal to, x square plus x minus 6 sorry, f of x equal to x square plus x minus 2 into x square plus x minus 2. Right, tell me everyone. X square plus x minus 2 into x square plus x minus 2. Just check. Right. But everyone, what will happen? This implies we'll get x plus 1 2 times. Sorry. Wait. X minus 1 2 times, right? This will become x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. Right? So this case is discarded. Tell me. Are people getting why I discarded this case? Arush, is it clear why I discarded this case? Rishabh, Shumanu, Satyaki, Shuru, and
Yes.
Ariman, do people understand?
Yes.
Okay, Aujay, is it clear why I discarded? Case 2.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Satyaki.
sir, we could have discarded it earlier also because in g of x it could not be factorized when a equal to 2.
Yes, but actually the problem is these cannot be factorized. But it could have happened that x plus 3 into x minus 2 is a factor of this expression. Are you getting? Tell me.
Yes,
Satyaki,
sir. Yes.
that's why I had to check once. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tell me. This kind of question can come in all of those. Okay, next. Case 2. Case 2, that x plus 2 whole square is a factor of g of x. Right, wait. At first, what did I take? F of x. Now over. Okay. That means x plus 2 should be a factor of. Wait a minute. No, g of x. In case 1, I took it as f of x only. Let us take it in g of x. In g of x, what will happen? You see, it can happen that means x plus 2 should be a factor of this expression and x plus 2 should be a factor of this expression as well. Right? Then only you will get x plus 2 whole square. Because try to understand, if x plus 2 whole square is completely a factor of this expression, that means coefficient of x should have been 4. Right? Because x plus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay. This implies x plus 2 is a factor of x square plus x. X square plus x, what is it? Minus a. Minus b. Okay. This implies minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 plus minus b equal to 0. This implies b should be equal to 2. Right? Tell me everyone. B should be equal to 2. And x plus 2 is the factor of x square plus 5x plus b a. This implies minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus a equal to 0. This implies a equal to 6. So I've got a equal to 6 and b equal to 2. Okay, this is your answer. I think now it will match. Now what is f of x? F of x equal to x square plus x minus 2, that is x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x square plus x minus 6. X square plus x minus 6 is x square plus x minus 6. So it will be x plus 3 into x minus 2. Right, tell me everyone. And what is g of x? G of x will be equal to x square plus x minus 6, that is x plus 3 into x minus 2. Multiplied by x plus 3 into x minus 2 multiplied by x square plus x minus, no, x square plus 5x plus 6, that is x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, just check whether I am doing it correctly or not. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. So A should be equal to 6 and B should be equal to 2. Is your answer. Yes, A is equal to 6 and B equal to 2 is given as the answer. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt till now? Okay, one last problem. So wait a minute. I think I'm making some mistake. What is the factorization of x square plus x minus 6? Tell me. X square plus 3x minus 2x. Huh? Plus 6 minus 1, right? No, ठीक है. X plus 3 into x minus 2. X plus 3 into x minus 2. A is coming as 6, B is 2, right? B into x square plus x minus 2.
G of x is coming x plus 2 whole square.
No. Wait. There are 2 x plus 3. That is what I was thinking. Achha, wait, I am looking at this problem. Okay. Last problem. Okay. Question number 11. You people solve this. This is the last problem. If 1 alpha beta gamma dot are the zeros of x power 48 minus 1, then find the value of part 1. Part 2 I will do it in next class, okay? Find the value of 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta into 1 minus gamma dot. Part 2 I will do it in the next class. Solve. Are done? No. Why is it 0? Let us start. Okay. So what is x to the power 48 minus 1? Tell me. What is x to the power 48 minus 1? X minus 1 into x to the power 47 plus x to the power 46 plus x to the power 45 plus dot 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 plus x plus 1. Right? Tell me everyone. Right? Sharita, are you getting? Today only we did. Achha, see. 1 is a 0 of this polynomial, right? So alpha, beta, gamma and delta dot 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 will be the zeros of this polynomial, right? Can I say alpha, beta, gamma, delta dot 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 are the zeros of? Tell me, Satyaki, are you getting? X power 47?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X power 46 plus x power 45 plus dot 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 plus x plus 1. Tell me everyone. Are you people getting? Tell me Ariman, Shumanyu, Shiru.
Sir,
Yes.
what is the fourth symbol you have written?
Delta.
Okay.
Rishabh, are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Over here, Abhijoy, is it clear? So, Abhijoy, can I write it as x power 47? Can I write like this? X power 47 plus x power 46 plus x power 45 plus dot 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 plus x plus 1 is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma dot 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 dot. Can I write like this? Tell me. Yes, sir. Because alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of this polynomial. So x minus alpha will be a factor, x minus beta will be a factor, x minus gamma will be a factor. There will be like this 47 factors, right? Tell me, Sharita, are you getting? Arush, Kaushiki, those are online. Are people getting? Tell me, Ariman, is it clear? Sumanyu,
Yes, sir.
Shiru, Rishabh, is it clear? Satyaki, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Asha, what do I need to find out? I need to find out 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta, 1 minus gamma. What do we need to do? Tell me. To get 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta, 1 minus gamma. What do we need to do? Replace x equal to 1. Done. Right. Put x equal to 1, we'll get the result. We have got 1 to the power 47 plus 1 to the power 46 plus 1 to the power 45 plus dot 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 plus 1 is equal to 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta into 1 minus gamma. Achha, how many times I have written 1? Can you identify? Count 48 times. Very good. So therefore, 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta into 1 minus gamma dot 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 will be equal to 48. Done. If there is anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, Kaushiki, is it clear? Amjad? Tell me, Shumanyu, Arevan, Rishabh, Shiru,
Yes, sir.
Satyaki, is it clear?
Yes, sir. I have understood.
Anyone having any doubt? Harush, is it clear? Amjad? Sharita, is it clear? Yes, I think everyone we can keep it till now. Next class will again continue. Thank you everyone. Okay, I'll be sending some more. Next class is the test, right? So everyone has to take the test. Okay, you joined just now, you can skip it. Okay, others will give it for now. Okay, so everyone has to give the test. Try to bring a device if it's possible, a tab or a laptop if it's possible. Okay, if it's not possible, text me one day before. Okay, thank
Sir,
you.
how do I give the test?
Those who are online, you send me your email ID. I'll assign the test. It will be online. Okay, CBT mode. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes.